Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kiya, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing a beautiful, luscious, and luxurious vanilla layering combination that I cannot stop reaching for. This is a combination that has gotten me so many compliments, and I love it because it is warm, it is cozy, it is vanilla, and it is long lasting. You will smell yourself and just be so enthralled with how you are smelling, and it just uplifts the spirit. And also, this is the way that I layer my fragrances so that I get the longevity and the projection. People will be able to smell you. You'll be able to smell yourself. And I did previously share a video about moisture and how it all starts in the shower and then what you layer your products with. So I did an overview of the process, but I think I can show you better than I can tell you. So if you're interested in this routine from in the shower to out the door and how you might incorporate these techniques in this yummy vanilla fragrance layering combination in your fragrance rituals, just keep on watching. So this fragrance layering routine is so good. It's very luscious. I love it because it's vanilla orchid and it combines the smoothness of the vanilla that we love with the orchid. But first I take time to go ahead and just set my mood. I have some candles burning in a beautiful vanilla lavender tone that really just accompany this vibe very well. Going through the products, we want to start with the Vanilla Orchid Body Wash. This is from Trader Joe's, and I go in with the matching body butter. It's so rich, luscious. My friend got this for me for Galentine's. We cannot have a video without our favorite brown sugar babe, and we have Vanilla Whisper Oil. For a body spray, we have the Sol de Janeiro 59, which is the Vanilla Orchid as well, and then we're going to follow it up with the Vanilla Orchid and Commodity Milks fragrance. So yes, starting off in the shower, after we do like our cleansing wash, we want to go in with our Smell Good wash, and the Vanilla Orchid body wash is just absolutely perfect for this. It's very luscious, luminous. It has a nice lather, and it is a oil body wash, so the fragrance lasts. And yes, look at this ultra thick and rich cream. When I'm not like super on the go heading out to work, I always make sure I moisturize myself, but I do love to use body butters and creams when I have some time to just rub on myself, y'all. So enjoy the rubs in these next few clips. When I use a thicker body butter, lotion, or cream, it just provides me the opportunity to really just nourish my skin, touch my skin and just give it that love and attention and that deep moisturizing massage like quality that it deserves. And this body butter does not disappoint with that. Next, going in with the Vanilla Whisper Body Oil from Brown Sugar Babe. This smells very good, y'all. It has a high projection, but it is a light smelling scent. And if you know me, you know I am obsessed with scents like that. I have raved about this fragranced body oil on my channel. And yes, this is my full body layering routine with this Vanilla Orchid scented style that gets me so many compliments. Again, it's just so luxurious, so feminine. It lasts all day, and this is just so perfect for if you want to stay in the house, have a slow morning, be cozy, and just be in your robe or pajamas smelling yourself all day. But it's also perfect for the office and going out, running your errands, doing whatever it is that you need to do. So I absolutely love this body oil, and if you can see the texture and the quality of my skin after taking the shower and then putting on the body cream, my skin has no choice but to be luscious and moisturized from the oil as it is sealing in the cream and the moisture that has already gotten on my skin. This is really important. You don't want to just put oil straight on dry skin because then you won't get the payoff of the luminosity, nor will you get the payoff from the fragrance projection. So just demonstrating the best way to go ahead and layer here. Just soak it all up, get into it. Next, I go in with the Sol de Janeiro body spray and Vanilla Orchid, and actually the body cream and the body butter are supposed to be the rendition of those that Trader Joe's has. Now, I did go ahead and take a brief intermission and make myself some tea. I love a good relaxing tea to just set the mood. So this one has rose petals, lavender, some moringa, some oolong, and fenugreek. I really love this tea blend. It tastes so amazing, so relaxing, and I love a good vanilla and lavender fragrance layering combo, or just anything. So the lavender that I had in my candle and then that I have in the tea really just goes well with this soothing and comforting vanilla vibe. Now, if you're just having a relaxing day inside, you could stop there at the body spray and then spray a little of the perfume on if you wanted to. For me, I had a couple of things to do, some errands to run, so I went ahead and did my makeup and got dressed, and then I am going to go ahead and continue on with the layering routine. So this is a perfect transitional fragrance layering routine from just relaxing, and then if you want to amp it up a little bit, you can take it with you on the go. So I go ahead and do another round of the body spray on my skin and on my clothing. I like to spray a little bit of it in my hair as well, just to amplify the smell. And finally, to complete this layering routine, going in with the Commodity Milk Orchid. It's a beautiful vanilla orchid creamy fragrance that just smells so feminine, ethereal, completes this luscious combo, and I love it. Yeah, babes, so I hope y'all enjoyed this relaxing, slow morning style fragrance layering routine, and you kind of get a look into how I set a vibe in my home with candles and tea, taking time to do the self-care for myself, as well as, you know, providing myself with a beautiful, luxurious self-care shower to out the door fragrance experience. I absolutely love this combo. I have shared it on this channel, but I've never gone into this much detail. This is a beautiful combo because it can be worn in the home and be very comfy and cozy, but this is also a very congenial scent that a lot of people love. I've gotten so many compliments on this fragrance layering combination, from just being out and about, running errands, just, you know, being out meeting people at restaurants, and then also my coworkers really like this smell on me as well. So it's super cozy for just yourself, but then it can be also versatile for when you want to have a slow morning and then like head out, mosey around, do your errands and everything that you need to do. So yeah, babes, comment down below. Let me know, what is your go-to vanilla routine that you absolutely love, that you cannot stop reaching for? Again, I love this one because it has like the florals, but then it also has like that signature warm vanilla that you just cannot beat. So let me know, do you have any of these items? Do you want to try any of them? And let us know what your faves are down below. Don't forget to give me a like, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more fun videos like this. And I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.